Welcome to your 2025 Masterclass on creating incredible videos with artificial intelligence. Just a few years ago, making a high-quality video meant expensive cameras, complex software, and honestly, a whole lot of time. If you weren't a professional, you were pretty much out of luck. But now, in 2025, the game has completely changed. AI video creation is a practical, powerful tool that anyone can use, transforming a simple idea into a visually stunning video in minutes. This shift is democratizing creativity, putting the power of a full production studio at your fingertips. Attention is the most valuable currency on the internet, and video is the most effective way to capture it. Whether you're an entrepreneur marketing a product, an educator making learning engaging, or a creator sharing your story, AI video is your ultimate unfair advantage. It lowers the barrier so dramatically that the only thing holding you back is your imagination. You no longer need to worry about being on camera, sourcing a film crew, or spending thousands on stock footage. The AI handles the heavy lifting, letting you focus on what truly matters, your message and your story. You can test 5 different video ideas in the time it used to take to plan a single shoot. This masterclass is your complete guide. I'll break down everything step by step in a way that's simple and actionable. We'll cover choosing the right tools, writing prompts that get amazing results, assembling your video with perfect visuals and audio, and sharing it with the world. By the end, you'll feel confident creating professional-level AI videos today. You don't need prior experience. The first step is picking the right tools. Think of your toolkit in 4 main categories: the video generation platform, the voiceover generator, the stock footage library, and the AI editing assistant. For core video platforms, Runway is fantastic for cinematic quality and fine-tuned controls. Pika Labs excels at dynamic anime-style animations perfect for social media attention. The days of robotic AI voices are gone. Your prompt is the single most important element. It's the blueprint, script, and director's notes all rolled into one. A weak prompt like "a person working" gives generic results, but a detailed prompt creates cinematic magic. A cinematic slow-motion shot of a young entrepreneur's hands typing on a sleek backlit keyboard. The office is minimalist with city views at dusk, soft warm light, shallow depth of field. Don't generate your entire video with one massive prompt. Break your script into smaller, manageable chunks. For each scene, write a dedicated, detailed prompt. If your script mentions deep work, visualize it with a journal and steaming coffee as the sun rises. This deliberate scene-by-scene process is the secret to creating coherent and compelling stories. Once you have prompts and script, generate visuals and tie them with the right audio for a cohesive experience. Blend AI-generated imagery with stock footage and animations. Start with an AI cityscape. Transition to real collaboration. Add animated text overlays. Choose your AI voice carefully. Educational content needs steady authority. Motivational content needs dynamic range and positive inflection. Import your voiceover into Descript for automatic transcription, then edit video by editing text. Delete filler words, rearrange sentences, the clips move with them. Layer your visuals, AI clips, stock footage, animations, matching them to narration parts. Focus on pacing. Change visuals every 2 to 4 seconds to maintain engagement. Auto-generate captions. They're non-negotiable in 2025. Add subtle branding with watermarks, consistent colors, and professional touches. For YouTube, focus on compelling titles and thumbnails. For TikTok and Instagram, the first 3 seconds are everything. LinkedIn performs best with professional, actionable advice. Avoid overusing flashy effects, weak pacing, and sacrificing story for spectacle. Always ask, "What's my key message?" This is just the beginning. AI video evolves rapidly, so stay curious. Try new tools, test unconventional prompts, develop your unique style. These skills place you at the forefront of the creator economy. My call to action is simple. Open an AI tool right now, write your first prompt, create your first video. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to start. Happy creating.